you can get the user ID of anyone in your Discord. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's start. First, just open up your Discord app or your Discord in your web browser, and after it loads up, what you'll first need to do is enable developers mode. Now for that, just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just scroll this user setting, and under app setting you will see the advanced option. Tap on advanced, and right there you will see the developer mode. Now turn it on. Now after you've turned developer mode on, just go back to your initial page. You can maybe even reload the page right here, and after you do that, just go to the person that you want the ID of. Like let's just take this for an example and right click on it. Now after you right click on it, you will see on the bottom that copy username or user ID option. Just tap on it and you will see that you've copied its username. Let's just go ahead and do that, and there you go, that's the user ID of the person that you just wanted of. So that is pretty much it. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.